On March 14, 2026, I visited Dounan Flower Market in Kunming. Kunming is famous as the Spring City because of its mild climate, and Dounan shows that reputation in the most colorful possible way. This is not just a small local flower market. Dounan is known as the largest fresh-cut flower trading market in China and Asia, and it plays a major role in Yunnan's flower industry. Flowers from here are sold not only around China, but also exported to other parts of Asia. Walking through the market, the first impression is simply color: roses, lilies, carnations, orchids, dried flowers, potted plants, succulents, floral decorations, and every kind of bouquet you can imagine. The market is part wholesale center, part retail market, and part tourist attraction. During the day, visitors can walk around, take photos, buy flowers, and see the enormous variety of products connected with the flower trade. Yunnan's climate makes it ideal for growing flowers, and Dounan has become the center where all of that production comes together. Some sources describe millions of flowers moving through the market every day, with daytime retail activity and later wholesale trading continuing into the night.